When you search for bathroom exhaust fans with lights, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Panasonic WhisperFit. The Panasonic WhisperFit ceiling mount bathroom exhaust fan really caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive specs for $188.99. If you want quiet operation and customizable airflow, this is worth a serious look. The dimmable 10W LED light is not just energy efficient, but also adds a cozy glow, making your bathroom feel warm and inviting. Plus, it's Energy Star certified, so you know you're making an eco-friendly choice. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 900 reviews, this fan has been bought over 1,000 times just in the last month. Now, some people complained about its price being a bit high. Here's the thing though, you're paying for quality and efficiency. If you want a long-lasting fan that seriously improves your bathroom environment, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quiet operation and efficient airflow. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option. You're getting great value for the price here. Product number 2, Braun NuTone Heater Fan. Next up is the Braun NuTone Bathroom Exhaust Fan with Heater, priced at $159.49. This caught my eye for its combo function of ventilation, lighting, and heating all in one. If you're after comfort in chilly bathrooms, this is worth checking out. This fan operates at 80 CFM and has a low noise level of 1.5 suns, meaning it won't disrupt your peace. The dimmable LED light gives you 3 color options, so you can choose the perfect ambience. But what really sets this apart is the built-in 1300-watt heater that warms up your space instantly, making those cold mornings a little more bearable. With a 4.4-star rating and over 1,100 reviews, it's clear people love this unit. However, some users noted that the heater can be a bit noisy when in use. Honestly, if you're sensitive to noise, this might be an issue. But for those who prioritize warmth alongside ventilation, it's a great choice. This is ideal for anyone looking for a complete solution for heating and ventilation. Skip it if you only need a basic fan without heating. Product number 3, Gopper Ultra Quiet Fan. Now let's talk about the Gopper Ultra Quiet Bathroom Exhaust Fan. At just $69.99, this one offers a solid performance without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this is worth considering. This fan boasts a powerful 120 CFM airflow capacity and runs at only 1 suns, making it one of the quieter options available. The bright 6500K LED light ensures your bathroom is well lit and fog-free, which is a must after a shower. It's perfect for spaces up to 100 square feet, and the sleek design blends well with most decor. With a 4.2-star rating and over 547 reviews, it shows reliable performance for its price. Now, a few users mentioned that the light isn't adjustable. Here's the thing though, while it might not have the customizable features of pricier models, it still provides great brightness for a low cost. This is perfect for those wanting an efficient fan without a hefty price tag. Skip it if you need adjustable lighting options. Product number 4, Fitop Bathroom Fan. At number 4, we have the Fitop Bathroom Exhaust Fan priced at $74.99. This fan stands out for its customizable lighting options. If you want versatility in lighting alongside ventilation, this could be the one for you. With an airflow capacity of 110 CFM and a noise level of just 1 suns, it's powerful yet quiet. This means you can adjust the lighting to suit your mood, and the fan is designed for easy installation, which is a plus for DIYers. It's rated 4.4 stars from 423 reviews, which is pretty solid. However, some users reported that the light can flicker occasionally. I'll be real with you, while that's frustrating, it's not a deal breaker if you prefer flexibility in lighting. This fan is perfect if you love adjusting the ambience in your bathroom. Skip it if you only want a simple fan without any extra bells and whistles. Product number 5, Braun NuTone Recessed Fan. Finally, we have the Braun NuTone 744 Recessed Light Ventilation Fan for $101.86. This one caught my attention for its sleek design that fits seamlessly with recessed lighting. If you want a more modern look, this is worth a glance. Operating at 70 CFM and 1.5 suns, it provides adequate ventilation while remaining unobtrusive. Plus, it uses a standard 75-watt bulb, making it easy to find replacements. With a 4.6-star rating from 739 reviews, it's a popular choice for those who want functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Now, some customers mention that it might not be strong enough for larger bathrooms. Here's my take: if you have a smaller space, it works perfectly, and its sleek look can't be beaten. This is perfect for those who want a stylish, low-profile option. Skip it if you have a larger bathroom that needs more powerful ventilation. So to wrap it up, the Panasonic WhisperFit leads with quiet efficiency, while the Braun New Tone heater fan offers that cozy warmth. The Gopper provides excellent value, Fitop impresses with lighting flexibility, and the Braun New Tone recessed model keeps it stylish. Each has its strengths, but they all aim to make your bathroom a better space.